Here's a quick way to go through and create a Google PowerPoint using a folder on your desktop or Windows computer, not a Google Drive. So what I can do is I can go ahead and go under slideshows here, and we have some settings here, but we're going to go to Insert, Photo Album, New Photo Album. And then what I need to do here is under File and Disk. This has got to be where you download a folder from Drive with all your pictures. I just happen to have some, so I'm going to go ahead and go under my picture areas here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do green screen from Rickman. And then here are all of the photos. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Insert. Click on the first one, last one, and then Insert. And then here are all of the photos, like right here. And I'm going to go ahead and right here on Picture Layout. And I'm going to go to 4 pictures per page. And then I'm going to go ahead and do different options for how I want it laid out. I'm just going to stick with 4. I'm going to do a simple frame with white. And then I just need to go through and select all of these pictures that I want to have included. I'm not going to add anything for captions below pictures or text boxes. I just want to create something that has all of them on there quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create. And what it does is it takes and puts 4 images per slide. You could then go ahead and export these as images. Hope this helps.